So if you wanted to have glowing effects like this, so as you can see here, my armor and weapon are glowing. So just click here. So let's start from the upper right screen of your right screen. Click the three dots, then click the system, then click the settings. Now you can just click the use the settings below and fill up the bloom, or just click the bloom and put the bloom in the max, like this. This is the lowest, then this is the max, and as you can see, there is vibrance in the lower. You can try to max out also this one, or here. This is what it will look like if you max out the vibrance. So para magmukha namang tao, hindi mapula-pula yung katawan niya, ganito lang. So yan guys, so as you can see, yan o, sobrang ganda, amazing, no? Ayun o, pag may buffs pa. Yan. So yeah, this is how it will look like if you max out the graphics with glowing effects. So yan yun, no? Yan, gameplay, then the graphics here. So sa gameplay meron 60 FPS. You can see the 60 FPS below. Then if you want to go back to 30 FPS, then all you need to do is restart the game. So if you wanted to go back to 60 FPS, then just also restart again. Then here, graphics. Okay, then just maximize or max out the bloom effect, so you can see the full effect of your weapon and your items. Here you can see different effects of my swords. So yan o, tamang flex na naman tayo. So yan guys, as you can see here, yan o, napakaangas o. Alright, let's try another sword. Junjun here. So this is how it will look like if you have a max glow effects. Alright, use the double sword or Catling sword. Ang ganda oh. Ayun siya guys, no? Parang ganyan yung itsura ng ano niya, parang aura. Okay, bagwa. So this is how it will look like. Sobrang angas kasi hindi lang siya yung parang kala mo kulay orange lang, no? Alright, next is this one. Okay, sobrang angas guys, no? Ayan, so ganyan kaangas ang Run Mobile guys. What more pa if you can see a lot of players. So hindi pa tayo nag-iikot. Then maybe later on or next vlog, next video, I'm going to show you the effects ng may maraming tao. Alright, so this one, if you want to have glowing effects or effects like this, just follow what I've said earlier. Right? So, yun lang. Bye-bye.